You might be heard that you can enable offline downloads on YouTube. I'm not sure how all of this work. Then I'm going to explain and show you how to do this on YouTube. So guys, you can easily download videos on YouTube. And let's say I pick this video right here. I'm not sure if I already have this one set up for downloading. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and scroll down to the bottom, and here you can see download, and I can hit the download button and download this video. And so this video is available for me to watch offline even when I have no internet connection, right? Pretty much that on YouTube. So how does all of this work? It works because you have to get YouTube Premium. And if you look in the upper left hand side of my page here, you can see that I have YouTube Premium, right? So you can download videos once you have YouTube Premium. And you can get YouTube Premium two ways, right? Really? You can find it by scrolling down on the left hand side under the section More from YouTube. Normally you'd see YouTube Premium available there. You can try it. Or if you click on any video and scroll down and you see the download button, once you hit download right here, it would give you a pop-up and say that, hey, you can download this only with YouTube Premium. And so you can continue to proceed to find YouTube Premium or whatever, right? Or you can easily go ahead and let's say if you're under research mode, you can always do it. Or you can click your profile in the upper right, go to purchases and membership or premium benefits or whatever you will see the options there to get YouTube Premium. And so you can sign up, get YouTube Premium 1 month. You can get 1 month for free. You try it, and so you'll be able to get YouTube Premium. And so with YouTube Premium, as you saw there, multiple times I show you how I download the videos. That's how it actually works. And now you may be wondering, okay, once I have YouTube Premium, how do I find those downloads? It's super easy. Once you're on YouTube, you expand the left side in case it is closed like that. You expand it and just look for downloads, right? Once you find downloads, you click there and you'll find all of the videos that you download. You can easily watch these videos again afterward. So this is how you can easily watch the videos offline. You can click on them and you can play them, and they will play normally, right? I want to share something really interesting with you, right? Once you download these videos, guys, now by default, those videos will download in a lower quality. And so if you want to download your YouTube videos in a higher quality, just click the settings button on the downloads. You can see it on the upper right. And here you'll find the download quality. You can set this to full HD or 720p, right? By default, it is set to standard, but you have to switch this to full HD if you want a higher quality. And if you want to just download whatever, right? For example, you just want to download YouTube to recommend videos and download them for you, right? Let's say you can turn on the smart download and it's just going to download recommended videos for you, right? You can easily find that under the download section. So either you can click the settings here and you can see it there, or you can just see it at the top here and you hit turn on and you can do it. Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel, and of course, so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now, let's continue. And so that's how it works, guys. There are more options, or more features from the YouTube Premium membership. But if you are just curious about how to enable offline downloads or how to use offline downloads or how to download videos offline, this is how it works. It requires YouTube Premium, and that's pretty much it, guys.